In this video, I will show you how to add custom thumbnails for YouTube videos. So actually there are two methods by which you can upload thumbnail on YouTube. First method is really easy. You just need to click on create and upload a video like you normally do. Then select the file you want to upload and then you can simply edit all the information of your video like title, description and thumbnail. We can simply see here is an option called upload thumbnail. YouTube will give you three options. You can use these thumbnails for your video or you can simply upload your custom thumbnail from here, but you can see there are some limitations for uploading a thumbnail. Your thumbnail must be less than 2 megabytes and it is in the format of JPG, PNG or GIF file. These formats are supported by YouTube and then you can simply click on upload thumbnail. You just need to select the thumbnail you want to upload. I will simply pick this thumbnail and then click on open and you can see my custom thumbnail has been uploaded on YouTube. So this was the first method. In second method, you can upload thumbnail from your mobile. For that we just need to click on this plus icon. Then we can select the file we want to upload. Then click on next. Many people don't know that they can upload thumbnail from their mobile. You can see here is a little option called plus icon of image. We can simply click on that and then we can select our thumbnail which we want to upload. I will simply pick this one and then we can simply zoom it or zoom out on our image and then we can simply click on done and you can see my thumbnail has been uploaded. So these are the two methods which you can use for uploading a custom thumbnail. If you found this video helpful then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.